There are two main ways to create a power series for a function. One is you take the function, its first derivative, its second derivative, its third derivative, its fourth derivative, etc., and you create a Maclaurin series. Or you take a series that's already known, like we have ones for e to the x, sine x, cosine x, and we even have one for tangent inverse. Tangent inverse of x is going to be the sum from 0 to infinity, and then it's alternating, so it's got -1 to the n, and then x is raised to odd numbers, so that's going to be 2n plus 1 creates an odd number, and then divided by that odd number. And then this is for x between -1 and +1. So this will converge if x is between -1 and +1, inclusive. So then, with this one, what's being asked for is create a power series for tangent inverse, but it's x over 2. So all we need to do is replace this and this with x over 2. So tangent inverse of x over 2 and then this x over 2, and then it's raised to the 2n plus 1 divided by the odd number, and then that's going to work for x over 2 between -1 and +1. So now we just need to do some algebra right here and some algebra right here. So this is the 2 is going to be raised to 2n plus 1, and it's going to be in the denominator. So we could clean this up a little bit. It's going to be this series with x to the 2n plus 1 on top. It has 2n plus 1 in the denominator, and then move this to the denominator, 2 to the 2n plus 1. And then just multiply this by 2, so it works for x between -2 and 2.